So today's video is about the most awaited Huawei smartwatch. It seems that Huawei is working on a smartwatch with an inbuilt earbuds. Today almost every tech giant company is looking for presenting the new technologies. Though the company has not confirmed the launch of this technology, we expect it to arrive in the Asian market by the end of 2023. Reportedly, Huawei is thinking of users' comfort, where a user can carry two different things together. After a few days, the news was rendered on social media with a little short video, where a smartwatch brings a pair of earbuds under a smartwatch dial. But this news is still mysterious because the company has not confirmed anything yet. But a Chinese tipster has shared a video on YouTube Short that made trending news on social media. So before we confirm anything, we have to wait for the company's official announcement. There is no official announcement of the smartwatch launching from the company, but a tipster has surfaced news on social media. According to him, the next Huawei smartwatch will launch at the end of 2023, and it could be the pair of smartwatch and earbuds together. Huawei Central has further got images of the smartwatch with the company's branding with the earbuds attached inside the dial. The smartwatch reportedly runs on Huawei's Harmony OS. Apart from that, there are no other specifications are available yet. It will not be surprised if the smartwatch will feature a larger battery that could power both the smartwatch as well as the earbuds inside the watch dial. So let's see what is happening next and when the company announces its smartwatch. What's your thought on that? Please comment below. So that's all for today's video. Don't forget to subscribe us.